Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check for updates for your earbuds, so open TOZO app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. After that you will see this menu, and we need to go to the settings at the right top. At the second line we have OTA update, tap at this line, and right here I have information that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this menu you can install and update to the new version. Now, if it didn't help you, I recommended to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset you need to put both of your earbuds to the charging case, and you can close the case or do not close it. Now your earbuds disconnected, we can check it by the LED light. And then you just remove your earbuds from the charging case, and we just perform a soft reset. Soft reset can fix this problem. But if soft reset didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. And to perform a factory reset, firstly we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget this device and forget device. Now we need to turn off these headphones, so at the back side we have touch areas, press and hold at your earbuds simultaneously and you will see the red LED light. After that, release your finger and press and hold again, and we need to see that the LED light flashing blue. So if your now it starts flashing blue, but if your LED light flashing red and blue, you need to repeat this process. Then release your finger and then press and hold again. We need to turn on these headphones. Here we go. And now we wait until this reset finished. So if it's flashing blue and red, you need to it means that you enter to prank mode, so you just reconnect your earbuds with your phone, and then you need to unpair it again, and then press and hold to turn off them, press and hold to start this resetting process. So this LED light should blinking, or this one should blinking flashing, it should flashing blue, and then you again press and hold. So now we perform it, so we need to tap at these earbuds at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.